What's up, HEALTHYOU crew? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Now here, guys, I have a kitchen curtain from last year, and I decided, my cheap tail, not to buy any curtain today, this year. And I have a curtain from before. This was just one panel, as you see here. So I'm going to cut this curtain to the length of the other kitchen curtain, so I can have a brand new curtain to hang up in my kitchen. So watch me sew. So what I did here is fold the longer piece of curtain in half like that, and I was actually going to do a zigzag kind of thing there, but I changed my mind and I end up cutting it straight across. So right here I was just organizing my kitchen cabinet. This is a mess and I end up cleaning it up like this, guys. So it changed up, it's a little bit different now and more organized. So here I am just threading the bobbin to sew my kitchen curtain. That's me there. So yes, guys, it's just a hem, actually the bottom of the curtain. So that is me there, just sewing the curtain. Yeah, so I would just sew this curtain, guys, and that's it. So just sewing it straight, it would be much better than doing all these zigzag and stuff. Sorry guys for putting my whole hand in the way. So and that's it, just sew that straight, and yep. So right now I'm just ironing out the curtain now so I can hang it up. So guys, so as you know, before I hang up my kitchen curtain, I have to clean my kitchen windows and change all the curtain for sure. So just watch me clean, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, guys. Christmas is really a joyous time to just, clean. I love to clean. So guys, I hung up the curtain, and the curtain is not like the length I want. So, my God, guys, watch this. What's the curtain now? Oh, on the light. The curtain is not the way I want it to be. Look how short it is. It's kind of crooked, but it's staying just like that. Green on one, green on it, right? You not really see the kind of beauty, but I don't want my curtain too see-through, so it's not that see-through. So, you know, gotta walk around my house half naked. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? I just make it straight, because if I don't make it crooked, Lord Jesus, I'd rather see outside. So, I'm not professional, so I could sew, but you see to cut a straight line, tell me cut something else. But yeah, guys. So guys, let's fix my background. So I'm going to put some decorations over the window. It's like I should have think about this all the time, but green on green. So I would put these decorations, these vines, and I would just put some color in it. And yeah, let me see how it goes, because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully it should come out nice. It should come out pretty nice. I bought these in the previous video before when I went into the flower place. I bought 3 for $35. Why the time so? So 3 of this vine for $35. So pray for my dad it will good. I'm gonna go for my hot one and just like pluck piece, stick piece, pluck piece, stick piece. I don't know. But excuse my whole thing, because I am cleaning. Okay? So I have a big one here. Then I'm plugging a big one. Let that hot by the time, in case I need it. Let me see how this goes. These people test this thing for me. I just like So guys, I do apologize about the lighting. I didn't know it was so dark. I mean, this is like hot sun blazing, and I have on 2 lights, so I I do apologize, guys. So far, this is the greenery here. Green upon green. I should have think this over, Lord. And the curtain get ramble. Okay, so whatever. Let's see how it turns out, right? So I don't know what I'm doing, right? But these, after all, let's put these all over. Piece one. I think what I was gonna do one, but I think I'm gonna just cut it like in two like this, and see, so like this, and see like where it go, you know. Like this clean, I can't even find out clean. So you see, that was the vision I was trying to get, like just something green, something like a fruit or something. Yeah. So I'll finish put the one all over, and that's it. You're not getting to see the true beauty of the thing because I saw it so bright, but that is what I stick on, you know. I don't know what I add this there for, but yeah. So yeah, that's what it'll be. Wow, window. So today was just the window, kitchen window day, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. And yeah, guys.